It's time to play Aladdin for the Sega Genesis. Thank you.
Press start. Now, we're going to buy something this time. In Agrabah, a faraway land, the wind and sand, the young street rat named Aladdin must steal to survive. Control. Control, you must have control. Now, I've changed it so that S is up. It's so that I can play it better. Oh, I've made up jump, which is totally against the AVGN, but it's easier for me to understand. Up is jump. One up. There's a guy there. Oh really? You sure about that? You're supposed to throw apples at them first? Oh, stun them with apples. And then you can hack them. Oh, you can climb up there. Oh, up is jump. See? Oh, you can kill them with apples. Oh, okay, I'm learning. You should get killed on the bad guys. Yes. Down D, down SD. How do I get down? A, no. Crap. D. Now jump. D. D. Checkpoint. D. Diamonds. Oh, I have only got 6 rubies. Never mind. Next time. Now go and then get a pool. A pool. Can you get to a pool? Oh. Here we go. One up, is it? D. There he is. So what you do is you go to Aladdin and go up S. And you bought yourself an extra life. Ah. See how long it lasts. 1 second. Wow. Feel special. Where do I go now? Go right. I've only got 1 diamond, dude. I'll see you later. D. You can apple him. Apple this guy. That's the first level done. Level complete. Alright. We're going to stop at 6 minutes. Aboo! D. D, 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 D. I can't get anything. Oh, wow. Oh, who's the expert of that one? Oh, it must be me. I don't see any other experts around, do you? In the desert? Watch the trunks. Oh, the camel didn't kill him. You should just rush through and die. Ah. Why don't you take your time and not die so much? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, you wasted an apple. Hey, well, can you apple the snakes? Yes. Okay. Alright, 6 minutes up. We'll be back.